Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Trust Wallet in 2025. XRP is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies out there, and moving it securely between platforms like Uphold and Trust Wallet is a smart move for managing your digital assets. Whether you're preparing for the next big crypto surge or just organizing your portfolio, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Uphold app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. Things change quickly in the crypto world. Start by opening your Trust Wallet. Navigate to the XRP section, then tap on Receive to generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to a successful transfer. Now, switch over to your Uphold app. Log in and head to your XRP holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Once you select it, paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before proceeding. Uphold typically uses the XRP ledger network, which is super efficient. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Uphold security settings, like two-factor authentication. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers on the XRP network are lightning fast, often completing in seconds to minutes. Once it's done, open your Trust Wallet and refresh the XRP balance to see your funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, like delays, check the XRP Ledger Explorer for transaction status. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in Trust Wallet. This method keeps your assets decentralized and ready for staking or trading. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring in 2025.